back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I just wanted to make a quick video sharing how I made this Magnolia Wreath out of book pages. It was by far one of the easiest DIYs I've ever done, and it only cost me $1. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, just keep on watching. For this DIY, you're going to need book pages or any other paper of your choice, a wreath form, scissors, hot glue, and then a Magnolia Leaf template. I just looked online at magnolia leaves and drew one out.
You're down, you close your eyes, build a wrap.
I then took my book pages, folded them in half along with my Magnolia Leaf template, and cut out multiple pages at the same time.
That you can be.
After you cut out the leaf, run your fingers over the crease just to define it a little bit more. This will give our wreath a lot more dimension and shape when we're all done. Once you have all of your leaves cut out, you just begin gluing them on to the wreath form with the hot glue. I placed my leaves on in groups of 4, slowly staggering them down, and you're just going to continue this process all the way around the wreath.
Always listen to your heart, make your thoughts a work of art. Climb a mountain if you like, but
Once you come to the end of your wreath, just simply tuck the new leaves underneath the first leaves that you glued down. And that's it. That's how you get a Magnolia Wreath for only $1. Let me know what you think of this DIY down in the comments below. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and until next time, bye guys.